If you say these 6 things to a younger woman, she'll want to sleep with you tonight. If you're tired of being ignored or unsure of what to say to attract that younger woman, get ready, because in this video, I'll reveal the 6 things younger women love to hear from more experienced men. Say these phrases and watch her become completely captivated by you to the point where she'll want to be with you tonight. Curious to know what these magic phrases are and their psychological effects? But before we dive in, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Give this video a like and turn on the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. You're more mature than most women I know. This phrase is powerful because it directly appeals to her ego and self-esteem. Younger women, especially those attracted to older men, want to be seen as unique and different from other women their age. By saying she's more mature, you're highlighting that she's special, intelligent, and possesses qualities that others lack. Why does it work? Younger women often struggle to be taken seriously. This phrase makes her feel like you value her intelligence and maturity. It creates a contrast with what she typically hears from younger men, who might treat her superficially. It reinforces your position as an experienced man who can see beyond appearances and appreciate truly important qualities. Pro tip: when you say this, follow up with something more specific like, "I can tell by the way you speak and make decisions that you have a much more mature outlook on the world." This makes the compliment feel even more genuine and impactful. Number 2. You have an energy that ignites something special in me. This phrase is filled with emotional depth and creates an immediate impact because it combines admiration with a touch of mystery. It makes her feel unique, valued, and responsible for awakening something extraordinary in you, a confident, experienced man. Why does it work? Younger women are drawn to compliments that connect their inner qualities with the effect they have on others. The phrase suggests that there's something about her that goes beyond the ordinary, reinforcing the idea that she's special and different from anyone else. Saying something ignites in you creates a powerful image of connection and desire without being explicit or intrusive. Pro tip: after saying this, follow up with something more personal and specific like, "I don't know if it's your smile, your presence, or just the way you talk, but it's impossible not to feel inspired when I'm around you." This added detail makes the compliment even more authentic and heightens the emotional intensity of the interaction. How to use it? Say this when the conversation is flowing well and you're exchanging smiles or laughter. Use a calm and confident tone of voice, making it clear that you mean it genuinely. Finish with a smile or a brief pause before shifting the topic, keeping an air of mystery and leaving her curious about what you're feeling. Number 3. I like how authentic you are. That's rare these days. This phrase boosts her confidence and makes her feel special, but in a unique way. By saying she's authentic, you're implying that she has a standout personality, something that sets her apart from other women. It creates a strong emotional connection and makes her feel closer to you. Why does it work? Young women want to be recognized not just for their looks, but for who they are as individuals. You stand out from other men by showing you notice her inner qualities. It feeds her desire to be seen as different and special, making her want to be with someone who values that. Pro tip: pay attention to the details. Say something like, "I notice how honest you are and how unafraid you are to show your true self." That's incredible and so rare. This makes the compliment even more personal and impactful. Before continuing, an important notice. Have you ever imagined sending a magnetic text message to a woman and generating in her an uncontrollable desire to be with you just because of that sentence? You may be wondering, what phrase is this? These secret messages awaken an uncontrollable desire in any woman. I'm talking about magnetic messages that psychologically invade her brain and mess with her emotional side, making her think about you all the time, even if she has a boyfriend or only sees you as a friend. Warning: if you send this message to a woman, she will quickly become excited and desperate to see you at any cost. If you don't want this woman to fall in love with you, don't use this message. Number 4. You have a sparkle in your eyes that's simply contagious. A compliment like this goes straight to her heart, highlighting something deeper and more intimate. It avoids cliches and appreciates a unique and striking feature, making her feel seen and admired in a special way. Why does it work? Young women love compliments that go beyond the obvious and show that you notice details other men might overlook. It's a compliment that blends charm and emotion, creating an instant sense of connection. It makes her feel attractive in a way that transcends physical appearance, touching her on an emotional level. Pro tip: follow up with something like, "When you look at someone, it's like you light up the entire room. It's something I don't see in anyone else." This makes the compliment feel even more genuine and exclusive. Number 5. You remind me how good it feels to enjoy the moment. This phrase is charming because it connects her youth with a sense of freedom and spontaneity, qualities that many young women value. By saying this, you're showing that her energy awakens a renewed appreciation for life within you, creating a deep emotional connection. Why does it work? Young women enjoy feeling that they bring something positive and unique to the life of a more experienced man. The phrase shows that you value genuine moments and are open to living fully but in a mature way. It makes her see you as someone interesting who appreciates both the present and the lessons of the past. Pro tip: add something like, "Your vibe reminds me how great it is to laugh, enjoy, and let go of worries every now and then. It's inspiring." This further emphasizes the positive impact she has on you. Number 6. Just being near you makes my mind start imagining things it probably shouldn't. This phrase is bold and full of insinuation, creating irresistible tension. It plays with mystery and desire, making it clear that her presence affects you in a deep and intense way. The provocative tone allows her to feel your attraction without being explicit, leaving room for her imagination to take over. Why does it work? Young women love well-executed flirting that balances sensuality with charm. The phrase hints at desire in an intriguing, non-vulgar way, demonstrating sophistication. It shows that you're paying attention to her and that she has a strong influence over you, building both emotional and physical connections. Pro tip: deliver this line with direct eye contact and a subtle smile. Pause strategically before continuing the conversation to create seductive suspense. Example of a follow-up: it's impossible not to think about how it would feel if it were just the two of us, completely at ease, with no one else around. How to use it: choose a moment when the vibe between you is light and relaxed, but with clear signs of attraction already present. Use a lower, softer tone of voice, as if sharing a secret just between the two of you. If she responds positively, keep the mood playful while subtly implying that you're in control of the situation. This phrase creates an electric connection and ensures she'll be thinking about you long after the conversation ends. To close with a flourish: imagine being able to use a sequence of magnetic messages that ignite chemistry and desire so intense that she can't resist and becomes desperate for you.